Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening System Settings and going straight to the Displays or Lock Screen pane. On recent macOS, this groups Display and Screensaver controls. Once there, make sure you select the Screensaver tab or the equivalent section. You need either a built-in style or an image/folder you want to use. Prepare that now. If asked, authenticate with your password. This is the one place Apple centralizes screensaver choices, so begin the actual assignment here without detours. You pick the screensaver style you want and click Preview to confirm how it looks. This immediate feedback prevents surprises. Once done, configure options like image source, shuffle, start delay, and whether it shows clock or messages. Make sure to set hot corners if you want instant activation, and decide if the screensaver requires a password on Wake. That controls security. If using an image folder, choose the exact folder and confirm permissions so Mac OS can access those pictures. You finish by saving changes and testing the screensaver with Preview or your configured hot corner. This final test confirms it works. Once tested, make sure Energy Saver and lock screen settings don't interfere. Set Display Sleep after screensaver delay so it appears first. If the screensaver refuses to run, check folder permissions and grant access to photos or folders. As a last resort, log out or restart the Windows server by signing out. This resets display service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.